At Modern Leisure, enhancing your outdoor living space and protecting your personal treasures is a commitment that we take very seriously. Concepted and tested at a mile above sea level, Modern Leisure products are designed from onset to stand up to the harshest UV, wind, rain, and snow elements that inhabit the Rocky Mountains. Featuring the market's only true waterproof Garrison Collection, the ultra-lightweight Renaissance Collection, our weatherproof Monterey Collection, and the practical value of our Chalet Collection. Our broad product lineup offers elegant color palettes and uncompromising protection, so you can focus your time on enjoying your personal leisure moments. The new Garrison Waterproof Collection by Modern Leisure is the only true waterproof grill and patio furniture covers collection on the market today. Through the use of proprietary seam binding processes throughout the entire product, these covers are not only uniquely elegant, but they will stand up to the harshest of rain and snowstorms that frequent your leisure environment. Welcome to our new Renaissance Ultralight Collection. Now, your outdoor living area will boast beautiful protection while not being used, with coverings that are light as a feather. Monterey products are designed standard with heavy-duty weatherproof membrane backing and reinforced seams, custom-fit quick-snap buckle tensioners, and high-flow venting ports to make sure your products are protected no matter how severe the weather conditions. Chalet products feature a water-resistant fabric membrane for protection from the elements and come standard with fabric-reinforced fastening straps to accommodate all sorts of unique furniture shapes and sizes. Whether you're looking for protection in chair covers, love seat covers, table covers, fire pit and heater covers, umbrella covers, patio collection covers, or multiple sizes of grill and smoker covers, our unique and vast cover collection offers solutions for almost any personal setting. We live and breathe making the most of leisure moments and make it our mission to protect yours. Modern Leisure, safeguarding your leisure lifestyle.